Yeah, got what the fuck going on, nigga. Justin Jerrod, nigga, aka Tizzle, nigga. LME, nigga, let me eat, nigga. Lush Music Entertainment, nigga. I know what the fuck going on, nigga. Yeah.
Hey, Rick and Thad.
Yeah.
I just ran it up on them niggas like I climbed a hill. I just went up on them niggas just like Jack and Jill. I just want the house on the hill, private in Beverly Hills. Man, that ass mounted up on her when she walk on heels. She just wanna give a nigga talk standing on her heels. Remember I was pitching off a mound standing on a hill. Gotta stay solid 10 toes standing on my heels. Ain't no way I'm never coming down cause I'm on a hill. Not coming down, I keep going up. They try to bring me down, I keep going up. I play with them numbers, I'm thumbing through commas. Her pussy keep coming cause money keep coming. Money keep calling, we ballin' like Spalding. Then she getting taller and taller. Play with that dough like on Rollo. Now I got your meat out your taco, you play with my nacho. Play with my cheetah, nigga, that shit get you greasy, nigga. Caesar, nigga. I just wanna take a trip across the Caesar, nigga. See some shit I never ever seen, la nigga. Roll your boat. They say this shit is just a dream, la nigga. But money rule the world, you can buy your own dream, la nigga. And she just wanna fuck with us cause we the winning team, la nigga. I want a house on the hill, I want a house in Beverly Hills. I want my niggas out doing drills, I want my niggas up out the field. I'ma get all of us out of here. I just ran it up on them niggas like I climbed a hill. I just went up on them niggas just like Jack and Jill. I just want the house on the hill, private in Beverly Hills. Man, that ass mounted up on her when she walk on heels. She just wanna give a nigga talk standing on her heels. Remember I was pitching off a mound standing on a hill. Gotta stay solid 10 toes standing on my heels. Ain't no way I'm never coming down cause I'm on a hill. Top with the hilltop, on top, up top with the real rock. Get the top knocked off for a few dollars. She wanna give me top in the helicopter. Top shelf, top knot, I'm a side call. Wrist rock, my wrist, got my wrist watch. Money talk when I talk real cock. Want the money right now like ASAP Rock. Gotta read now like ASAP Rock. I spend a little money on the VVs. I ain't selling my soul like Diddy. I don't care about being on TV. Just let me in, let me eat. I want my pockets on fleek. She tryna bless me like a sneeze. She tryna bless me on her knees. These niggas ain't fucking with me. These niggas ain't kicking no P. These niggas ain't keeping it P. These niggas they capital L. And they know that I'm capital G. These niggas be telling the tale. And they know that we keeping it street. Might as well get out of the street. I just ran it up on them niggas like I climbed a hill. I just went up on them niggas just like Jack and Jill. I just want the house on the hill, private in Beverly Hills. Man, that ass mounted up on her when she walk on heels. She just wanna give a nigga talk standing on her heels. Remember I was pitching off a mound standing on a hill. Gotta stay solid 10 toes standing on my heels. Ain't no way I'm never coming down cause I'm on a hill.